Well, Xin Chào everybody. Welcome back. You're watching Vietnam Steve. It's getting late in the afternoon now. I've got a good one for you today. Going to go and do one of the things that are Vietnamese favourite pastime. Going to go and sit at a coffee shop, drink some juice, talk with my friends, and have a relaxing afternoon. I haven't even got my watch on here, but I think it's about 5 p.m. We'll do that for a couple of hours and then go and have a bite for dinner. So come along. I think we're going to the Ming Sale Cafe. We'll see what they've got to offer, and I'll order a nice colourful drink for you to have a look at. So let's go. I'm going in the car today, so it's about 500 metres away, but we're taking the car. I'll see you there. All right, let's go to Minh Sale, which is just across the road here, and get some juice on board. Nice little cafe. We're going to sit out the front there and watch the sun go down. This lady's a lovely lady that runs this place in here. So might just wait for the bosses to see where we want to sit. It's going to be probably one of these ones just here. So here we are, lovely little cafe inside. They knock out some cracking drinks from here. And the daughters are going to sit outside. I'm probably going to sit back out on the street there. But let's get our drink organised and the other thing is there's a nice little outdoor sitting area there that you can sit in. So I'm going to grab a seat out here, and I've asked for a colourful drink. So let's see. I might take prime position here. It's going to be good. We can watch the yellow team over the road there. All right, first up in the cafe scenario is the mother's taken the daughter to the side of the road to relieve herself. She's also brought a few bags of goodies here, and what's in there is a plantain type thing. Sort of looks like a banana but tastes like a potato. What is it called, my love? Shun. It's called shun. And this is a tasty little treat that I'm eating here at the cafe before the drinks turn up. So eventually someone will come out of here and bring us my drink, and we'll watch the sun go down. The other thing we get at the cafe is a bag of seeds. They say it's shit, which is seed, but it sounds like something else. Shit. And what that actually is a bunch of sunflower seeds that we're going to munch down here while we have our juices. Oh, they've all turned up. I better show you what they look like. Okay, so first things first. Plastic straw in a plastic bag. And I set the straw free. And which one is for Steve? Oh, okay. Big one, okay. Big one for a big boy. So it looks like we've got some little gel balls or something. Let's taste one of those. Oh, fantastic. Okay, what flavour do you want this to be? Is that orange or is it something else? What is that flavour, my love? We don't know the flavour. So tonight's conversation is just about the week we've had. The lady here with us runs a a dress shop and a kids dress shop, basically open from 9 in the morning till 10 at night, 6 days a week. And she's happy to duck out here and have a juice with the kids before she goes back to work. So a very relaxing time, and we just watch the world go by. Okay, guys, had something turn up here. Whoa, that is hot. It's like a bread ball, almost too hot to hold. So, whoa. Here we go. We got 2 of these. I just put it in this bowl to show you. And I'm gonna pull a bit off and have a taste. Can you get a bit off for me, please, my love? Can you break slaughtered the bread? It's like bread. Oh, holy moly! It's like hot dough. Too hot, too hot. Whoa! That is a hot ball of dough, and wow, very nice. A little bit sweet. Seems to be we break a bit of that off and have it with our juice, but maybe it's cheese inside there. But cheese inside. Ah, cheese. It's a hot ball of cheese. That's why I've killed myself. Too hot to hold. It's really, really hot. Hope you're enjoying this. I know I am. So it does end up being quite a relaxing evening here. This is what a traditional Vietnamese evening is like. They tend to go out in the evening till 10 or 11, and it usually starts with a couple of hours at a cafe, 5 till 7. Then maybe go and have some dinner 7 till 9, and then some juice at another cafe. So it ends up being a very relaxing evening, and we're in the cool of the evening here now, and it's just beautiful. It's probably 28 degrees. Of course, I got a lovely breeze here, and just sharing with friends. So it's a little bit different to what we're used to in where I come from. Where I come from, people get home at sort of 6 p.m. at night, and they don't want to go out at all. They put the goggle box on, and that's it for the evening. But here in Vietnam, nighttime is the right time.